Every second you waste isn't just time lost, it's life lost. Time doesn't need to destroy your life. Your procrastination is already doing the job. Most people blame time. They say, I don't have enough time. Time is moving too fast. Time is slipping away. But here's the truth nobody likes to admit. You're not losing time. You're wasting it. Piece by piece, day by day, excuse by excuse. Time isn't the villain. It's neutral. It moves the same for everyone. You're the one deciding how much of it to burn. And the fire? It's your habits, your distractions, your comfort, your fear, your procrastination. This video is not motivation. This is a reminder, a harsh one, that time won't wait for you to grow up. Chapter 1. The Silent Killer. Time doesn't attack loudly. It kills silently. Not with explosions, but with routine, repetition, and neglect. Every time you wake up late, every time you scroll for 5 more minutes, every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, you're helping time take another piece of your life. Your goals die slowly. Your potential dies slowly. Your dreams die slowly. Not because time is strong, but because you keep giving up without a fight. The scariest part? You don't notice it. Not today, not tomorrow, until one day the damage is irreversible. Chapter 2. You're losing without knowing. Look around. Someone your age is getting stronger. Someone your age is building discipline. Someone your age is doing the uncomfortable things you keep avoiding. And you're stuck in a loop, thinking, planning, dreaming, but never doing. The difference isn't talent. It's not motivation. It's not luck. It's simply this. They value time. You treat it like it's infinite. And here's the brutal truth. You won't feel the loss of time until time starts taking things you can never get back. Your ambition, your energy, your opportunities, your youth, your hunger. Time takes everything, slowly, quietly, patiently. Chapter 3. The Enemy in the Mirror. You keep fighting the wrong enemy. You think life is hard. You think the world is unfair. You think people hold you back. But the real enemy? The person in the mirror. The one who keeps choosing comfort, avoiding risk, delaying action, escaping responsibility, betraying the future self, protecting today's laziness instead of tomorrow's greatness. You want a better life, but you're unwilling to face the version of you that's ruining it. You say you want change, but you fear discomfort. You say you want discipline, but you reject consistency. You say you want success, but you run every time success demands sacrifice. Time isn't stopping you. You are. Chapter 4. Borrowed life. Listen carefully. Every day you live is borrowed. Borrowed energy, borrowed strength, borrowed youth. Everything you have today will eventually fade. Time will take it, with or without your permission. So the real question is, what are you doing with what you have today before time decides to take it away? Most people don't realize that the cost of procrastination isn't measured in hours. It's measured in life, in lost confidence, in ruined momentum, in broken self-respect. You're not just wasting minutes. You're wasting the strongest years of your existence. Final chapter. Fight back before it's too late. Time is killing you, yes, but here's the part you always forget. You can fight back. Not tomorrow, not next week, now. Because ready is a lie. Tomorrow is a trap. Later is a graveyard where dreams go to die. Start small, start imperfect, start scared. But just start. The world doesn't reward potential. It rewards action. Time is moving, with or without you. The question you must answer is simple. Are you moving with it or letting it bury you? If this video made you uncomfortable, good. It means you still care about your life. It means your potential is still alive. It means your story isn't finished. But if you want to rewrite it, you have to stop helping time kill your greatness. The next move is yours.